Hey, this is Eric from AHA. Today I get to walk through a new report with you, which is fantastic. This one puts Salesforce opportunity data right alongside AHA idea data so you can prioritize the ideas that are most likely to delight your customers and drive revenue. Check it out. Okay, here it is. This data is delicious, right? It exists because we have an active Salesforce integration and the sales team is linking ideas to their opportunities. A couple different ways to set this up, but I'm going to show you this one. Let's start here. Opportunity value by idea stage. You can see we've got a lot of unrealized value. That's hard to say here at the future consideration stage. And you probably want to see details, right? Well, boom, one click. We've got that. Here's a custom built pivot for you. You don't have to configure anything. You can just see the details and make some decisions. Let's head back and look at the next one, ideas by op value. So these are the single ideas that hold the most potential opportunity revenue there. I want to see details again. Let's click and see what happens. Boom, the drawer view holes open. I can adjust details, jump on this idea if I haven't already. It's not already part of my roadmap, and then close it again to return to the report. Speaking of reports, I've got these view full report links at the bottom of each one of these panels here. Anytime I want to see more details in a single view, and obviously can jump right back to this tab when I need to. Okay, last panel here is the ops panel. This is the details one. I've got tabs for shipped ideas, largest ops, and top ideas. And you notice they're each expandable, so I can see the ideas that are most likely to unblock our largest opportunities. That's it. It's a great report, right? A one page, tons of insights. I pull this up anytime I need to prioritize ideas for myself, or I can also share it at sales meetings so that they understand the why behind our priorities. Enjoy.